Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve another LeetCode question called Search Insert Position. Now, given a sorted array and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. And there is an assumption that there are no duplicates in the array. So basically, this is a very straightforward binary search question where if we are given an array and we have to find the target value and we have to return the index of the target value. So here the index of 5 is 0, 1, 2. So the output is 2. In this question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in this array, the value 2 is not present. But if this value 2 would have been present in this array, then its index would have been 1, because the new array would have been 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, and the index of 2 would have been 1. Similar such examples are given. So let us code it up. So basically we will do a very straightforward binary search, and finally to address this portion that if the target is not found in the array, what should be done will also be discussed. So let us define a variable low, which would be the low pointer. It is equals to 0, high, which will be the pointing to the last index of the array, nums. Now while low is less than high, mid is equals to low plus high, floor division 2. If nums of mid equals to the target, then simply return mid, which would be the index of the target value which has been found. Else if nums of mid is less than the target, then change the value of low equals to mid plus 1. Else if nums mid is greater than the target, then high equals to mid minus 1. This entire structure is a very simple, straightforward binary search algorithm. Now, if after entirely executing this while loop, the loop is executed and we come out of the loop, then that means that the element or the target value has not been found. Now, if that target value is not been found, then where should it be placed, or what should be the index where it would be placed? For that, we will simply write if nums low is less than target, then return low plus 1, else return low. Let us run it. So it is working. What this portion does is that once the target has not been found and it has come out of this loop, then that means that low is equals to high or low has become greater than high. Any means that this low less than high condition is no longer valid. Once that happens, then that means that the number which is at index low is, if less than the target, then return the index low plus 1. That means that since the number at the low position of the nums array is less than the target, then obviously the target is after the number which is at the position low. Then therefore the target would be low plus 1. Else, if nums of low is greater than the target, then return low. That is, the number should be inserted at the low position. So I hope this code would be helpful to you to understand the problem. Do give it a like, and if there are any doubts, do comment below. Thank you.